this is Kristina Podnar. I'm excited to be your instructor for the Global Digital Policies Masterclass brought to you by the Localization Institute. During this masterclass, we're going to hold 3 different sessions complemented by 2 open door office hours. In session 1 of the masterclass, I'm going to teach you my methodology for creating and effectively implementing digital policies into the organization. Once we've established the methodology and the language, as well as some of the change management techniques required for sound digital policies, we will refocus ourselves in session 2 onto creating an audit of what policies exist for your organization, where gaps might be, and how to appropriately determine what policies need to be developed in order to close gaps, minimize risk, and maximize opportunities of digital marketing. In session 3, we will move our focus to actually developing the policies that you need inside of your organization. You will learn in a hands-on way how to create policies that are effective and useful supporting digital marketing. More importantly, you're going to start practicing all of the skills you need to take back to the office and do this job on your own. Between sessions 2 and 3 of the masterclass and following our 3rd session, I will hold open office hours. This is a time where you can come to my office, ask me questions, share with me the results of your audit, or perhaps have me review your digital policies. It's an opportunity outside of class to interact, ask questions specific and unique to your organization, or even look at trying to stump the consultant. I hope you'll join me in this wonderful session of policy exploration and, above all, making sure that your organization is set up for successful digital marketing by balancing out the risk and opportunities that come with this domain. I'll see you soon for the first masterclass.